Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel of Alicante Real Estate. My name is Alex and today I will show you a new apartment that we have on sale in Santa Pola City, straight on the first line next to the beach of El Levante, just 50 meters away from the beach, looking to this nice promenade. Santa Pola is only 20 minutes from the airport, even less, 15 minutes and 20 minutes to Alicante City, to the center of Alicante. So yeah, we are almost on the city center, 1 kilometer away to the port. And today, friends, I will show you one 3-bedroom apartment that is completely renovated with all the furniture, white goods included in the price, 1 bedroom with possibility to make another extra bedroom. We have 2 terraces, inside terraces on this case, yes. And the price for this property is 325,000. Yeah, follow me and I will show you this nice property. So friends, here's the promenade with a playground for children. We have, of course, a bus stop here, 500 meters from here, well, a little bit more. It's the port of Santa Pola, where we have a lot of restaurants, bars, and amenities. And that way, we have the beach of Veradero. It's about 500 meters, and direct here, the beach of Levante. So yeah, any place you go, it's nice here. And this is the balcony of our property, of our apartment. As you see, we are straight here looking to this promenade, and this is the main entrance to the building. Important to mention that we have an elevator for people with disability, and by the stairs we join here to our nice apartment. Follow me. So come please, I want to show you the best part of this property, this nice covered balcony, of course with top amazing views. Imagine living here, having your holidays, having your breakfast, having your evenings here, looking at our beautiful Mediterranean Sea with the promenade of Santa Pola. So yeah, it's amazing. I want to say that the apartment is completely renovated, electricity, water pipes, floor, kitchen, white goods, furniture, everything is ready to come and live. All the windows that we have on this property are climalit, double glassed, very good isolated and acoustic isolation. So we have 1 wardrobe here to put your jacket when you enter to the property. Very good done. Follow me please. This is the dining area. This couch is electric. You can switch it and yeah, make it bigger. TV, bar, open plan kitchen with all the white goods. We even have the wash disher here integrated. So the kitchen is top. Then we have this small hall here on where we have the wash machine. Well, we have 1 window that goes from one of the bedrooms, and the bedroom is going here outside. Important to say that the owner is thinking to make a 2nd bedroom here. So actually he did all the water connections to do a 2nd bedroom. So there is a possibility to install in the future, make 1 more bedroom. This is the panel for the AC. You have air conditioning, centralized air conditioning as by all the new build. Each room has an entrance and exit of cold or warm air for winter and summer. So this is the bedroom with shower plate. Check it out, very good done, nice design. I like the tiles and the colors, the combination of colors. We have window, and also important to say that this bedroom has underflow heating. All the doors are of course new, everything. So let's start with the first bedroom. It's not big, but as you see, there's enough place to have a double bed for 2 people. The window goes to the hall to this small terrace that I showed before. And now I will show you. By this hall we go to the second small bedroom, but they did a nice solution here because we have a double floor bed, so it's perfect for the children. You can have your children here, and there's one more window that goes to private terrace that I'm gonna show you now later. Let's go now to the third bedroom. It's a little bit bigger than the other two. Yes, we have double bed here, enough space. I like the ceils, they are very high in this apartment. Check it out. We have, I think, more than 3 meters high of ceils. And friends, I like this because we have here a private terrace. Now already is full with construction materials, but of course it will go out and you can use this terrace for any place as a storage or to be there sometimes. Important to say that one of the windows from the bedroom, the second bedroom, are going to this terrace, so it's private. You don't have neighbors looking at you because you are looking at your own terrace. So this is all, friends. Imagine having your own apartment with 3 bedrooms next to the promenade of Santa Pola, walking distance to the beach, to all the amenities, in one of the best places next to Alicante city, just 20 minutes to Alicante or even less, 15 minutes to the airport. So top area, nice apartment, good renovation, good qualities. What else you want? Contact us about this property or any other property. If you need more details about this property, just anytime contact me, write me a message, call me. You have my contact details here. I will kindly respond all your questions. Subscribe this channel, share this video with your family, lovers, maybe somebody that wants to buy here. Yeah, I wish you all the best and see you next time in our YouTube channel of Alicante Real Estate. Hasta luego.